Hello! This month I made 赤兔 or the red hare. It's actually the name of a legendary horse of Guan Yu, a god of victory, also quite famous in the Three Kingdoms tales. Most legends, he's normally depicted as red color. Without further ado, let's get in. I actually forgotten to film myself making the armature, so I have one of my later projects be the model. I use thin gardening wires to make the whole armature so that it can pose. Make it easier to manage for myself. I use tin foil to bulk up some of the areas. I know I'm going to need a lot of stuffing or a lot of foil, clay, anything. After that, I wrap it up like a mummy. Are you scared? Next, I quickly put on a coat of paint over the head and the hooves. Did some color matching with what fabrics I have. Stitched it up. Then I used yarn webs to make its manes, its other features. I wanted it to be a bit flowy, resemble fire, some posability. Gotcha! No? Okay, no. I actually tried to make it look like it has flames shooting around its head, but I wasn't satisfied. So I ripped it out and redo the whole thing. And I wanted it to look like a horse had flames blowing its legs, so I took the leftover yarn webs, needle felt it, made some flame shapes. This is giving... No? Okay, no. The front was looking a little plain, so I added its name, a little bit of markings, and then crocheted the harness and the satchel bag. Some arrows from the bamboos I have playing about, and added some of the remainder of the yarn webs to represent abundance. And that's it. If you enjoyed it, thank you for watching.